Dr. Stephen Cabral is a doctor of naturopathy who has overcome multiple health issues and now helps others with their health and well-being. He is the founder of the IHP Institute for Integrative Health Practitioners and Equal Life. In this podcast, he shares his journey of healing and provides valuable insights into natural and integrative health practices. Dr. Cabral's health struggles began at the age of 17 when he was diagnosed with multiple autoimmune diseases, including rheumatoid arthritis and Addison's disease. He suffered from insomnia, anxiety, and depression and was put on a handful of medications. Despite seeing over 24 different practitioners and trying over 100 different protocols, he struggled for 10 years to find a solution. Finally, at the age of 27, he met a mentor who helped him rebalance his body through at-home lab testing and natural health practices. Within 6 months, he was able to heal himself and committed to sharing his knowledge with the world. Dr. Cabral uses the metaphor of the rain barrel effect to explain how the body accumulates deficiencies and toxicities over time, leading to health issues. Just like a rain barrel fills up with water and eventually overflows, the body can become overwhelmed with imbalances, leading to various health conditions. He emphasizes the importance of identifying and addressing these imbalances through personalized testing and natural health practices. Dr. Cabral delves into the topic of testosterone and how it relates to overall health. He emphasizes the importance of understanding the root cause of low testosterone rather than simply trying to boost it artificially. He explains that low testosterone can be a symptom of underlying imbalances such as high cortisol, thyroid issues, low vitamin D, and high blood sugar. He advocates for a holistic approach to addressing low testosterone, including lifestyle changes, stress reduction, and targeted supplementation. Dr. Cabral discusses the use of peptides as a more natural alternative to hormone replacement therapy. Peptides act as precursors to hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, signaling the body to produce more of these hormones. He advises using peptides before considering hormone replacement therapy and emphasizes the importance of understanding the underlying imbalances that lead to low testosterone. Dr. Cabral highlights the impact of inflammatory foods such as hydrogenated oils and processed vegetable oils on the body. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can contribute to inflammation. On the other hand, anti-inflammatory foods, such as brightly colored fruits and vegetables, help balance inflammation in the body. He recommends incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into the diet to support overall health and reduce inflammation. As an entrepreneur, Dr. Cabral understands the challenges of maintaining a healthy sleep schedule. He shares the 3-2-1 formula for better sleep, which includes stopping eating 3 hours before bed, stopping drinking 2 hours before bed, and avoiding blue light exposure 1 hour before bed. He also emphasizes the importance of going to bed within 30 minutes of the same time every night and getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Dr. Cabral encourages entrepreneurs to prioritize their sleep and work on establishing a consistent bedtime routine to support their overall well-being. Dr. Cabral shares his personal experience of realizing the benefits of waking up early and the importance of quality sleep. He explains that waking up between 5:30 and 6 a.m. allows him to have me time before his family wakes up. He also emphasizes the significance of getting 7.5 hours of sleep, tracking sleep patterns, and ensuring adequate deep sleep and REM sleep for body and mind repair. Dr. Cabral highlights the importance of considering the internal environment of the body when addressing health issues. He explains that factors such as stress, toxicity, and deficiencies can impact the body's ability to efficiently utilize nutrients and maintain optimal function. He emphasizes the need to address these internal imbalances to support overall wellness and vitality. Dr. Cabral emphasizes that achieving optimal health is a journey rather than a destination. He compares it to entrepreneurship, where there is no definitive endpoint. He encourages individuals to embrace the process of improving their health and to understand that it is an ongoing journey of self-discovery and self-improvement.